looking at outside, well, this is the clams, and this is how much they've purged out of them. It actually cleans the clams, and I can attest these are some of the best clams that I've ever had. Now here's some fresh lobsters. As you can see, he's got a whole load for him every day. He knows where they're from, what he has, and after they move it to the big tank. And they only have a few lobsters here. This is Chase and Eli. They actually cook the lobsters in the pots right here. Of course, check that out. Now that's what you call home cooking. So like I've told you before, if you're gonna check out any restaurants in the Bar Harbor area, you really want to come here because this is about as authentic as you're gonna get. You saw the place where they purge the clams. This is not your typical throw it in a pot type restaurant. This is good old-fashioned home style cooking. So come and see Chase and Eli, and you can have the best Don lobster you've ever had. Now that's bag 19. That's going in for a customer. Lucky man. When you've had your fill of lobsters and clam and haddock and whatever, you can take a nice little walk in their beautiful little Serenity Garden and relax a little bit before you get back on the road for your travels. Like I said, this is a beautiful restaurant run by some great people, so you have to try it out. It is really, really something to talk about. God bless, and thank you for joining us for Cooking with the Count. We're up here near Bar Harbor, Maine, and still enjoying life and sharing America. God bless.